Hi there. Hope you are doing well. So here we have another parajumbled question. Or ordering the sentences, or you can say that paraformation question. So the direction for the question is called as there are four sentences labeled with one, two, three, and four. When properly sequenced, that would produce a coherent paragraph. So what we need to do, we need to decide the proper sequencing of the order of the sentences and key in the sequence of the four numbers as the answer, isn't it? Let's look at the each of the sentence. So the first sentence stated, moreover, strong leadership characteristics such as commitment and determination that have proved to be a key drivers of the resilience during challenging times. Second, some firms declare that a well defined and effective strategy is a foundation for long term business success. Third, focusing on customer service rather than solely on product selling increases customer loyalty and attracts new clientele. And four, flexibility in business operations and customer targeting were found to be critical factors during crisis times, isn't it? Now, in that case, if we observe that sentence four, right, that discusses what? That discusses the critical factor during crisis time, isn't it? Critical factors during crisis times, such as flexibility in business operations, right? And customer targeting, isn't it? So, but if you look into the sentence three elaborates on the importance of focusing on customer service rather than solely on product selling, increases customer loyalty and attracts new clientele, isn't it? So, sentence three elaborates on this particular importance on fact, focusing on customer service over solely product selling to increase customer loyalty and attract a new clientele, isn't it? That is what it is stated. Uh, Next, if you observe, that is what stated. Sentence one. Uh, because sentence two seems like conclusion. Some firms declare that a well-defined and effective strategy is a foundation for long-term business success. So that concludes the paragraph by stating that some firms so and so well-defined and effective strategy as the foundation for long-term business. So therefore, one should come after four, three, then one, two, right or not? So why? Because one is stated moreover. Right. So strong leadership characteristics such as commitment. So this is nothing but a indicating that adding one more idea, isn't it? So in that case, sentence one introduces the idea of strong leadership characteristics such as commitment and determination as the key drivers of resilience during challenge times. So, and sentence two indicate about what? Uh, a kind of a concluding part, right? So in that case, we can say sentence two concludes the paragraph by stating that some farms, right? So all over, you can say option four introduces the critical factor during crisis time. Second, option three that expands expands on the importance of customer service. Option one, which is introduces strong leadership characteristic, strong leadership characteristic, right? And option two concludes with what? The idea of well-defined strategy for long-term success. So hence we can find out three, one, so, uh, so it should be what? Four, three, and one, two. This is the sequence. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.